Hi Boarding Passers! My name is Prime and today it's going to be an exciting day dahil for the first time, ihahatid ko sa inyo dito sa Boarding Pass ang unboxing ng aming Google Assistant. Makakasama namin ito sa bahay 24/7. And ladies and gentlemen, introducing... And this Google Assistant, we actually bought it in Japan. Nakakatuwa lang kasi sa YouTube at sa ibang mga videos online, mangilan-ngilan pa lang ang actually magamit ng Google Assistant. You could watch YouTube, i-search mo ang Alexa. This is also a different version of Alexa. Bago ko ito i-unbox, tingnan nyo munang maigi. Ayun yung box niya. Medyo maliit lang. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan. Dali. Okay. Pwedeng tulak lang. Ayan. Oops! Muntik na. Ang pangit ng pagka-unbox natin mga ka-boarders. But, yay! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls all over the world, introducing Google Assistant. Ayan. So, anong mga nasa loob ng box? Yan. Ilalabas na natin syempre si Google Assistant. And next would be, ano ba to? Oh, stand. Okay. So, let's see yan. And of course, ano ba to? Yung mga instructions, manuals. Ayan. Here. And of course, the charger. The Google Assistant itself. Also, meron tayong charger and yung stand. Ngayon, paano ba natin ito i-operate? Okay? Unang-una, syempre, itong Google Assistant natin, kailangan makakonect sa internet. So, it's best kung meron kayong Wi-Fi sa bahay. Step number 1, on natin. On. Mukhang walang charge, so kailangan natin siyang i-recharge. Saksak natin siya directly doon sa power input. Okay, here. Boom. Okay, so ayan. Nag-charge siya. Okay. So after that, ayan.
The Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay. Oh, narinig yung guys ha, kailangan doon natin i-download ang Google Home sa iPhone or tablet. Sige, gawin natin. So, mayroon akong iPad. Dito ko siya i-download. Okay. Papakita natin sa inyo, guys. So, paano? Oops. So, ayan. Google Home app can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Since I'm using an Apple device, sa App Store ko pupunta. And then, search. We are looking for Google Home. Google Home is the key. And so hit the cloud icon and wait until it gets fully downloaded and installed. Babagal ang Wi-Fi natin yan, but okay lang yan. It takes a lot of patience for you to do this. Hindi naman talaga eh. Ayun! Tapos na! Yay! Tapos na. So, launch. And get started! What to choose? Ito, Prime na lang. Okay, dami kong accounts. Yan, okay. Looking for devices. Let's now searching for Google Assistant. Now, nahanap niya na. Yun! Nahanap niya. O yan, yun ang lalabas guys kapag hinahanap niya siya. Google Home 6768. So, well, iba-iba naman ang code nila guys. So, huwag niyong isipin na kung ano yung lumalabas dito, yung talagang kailangan hanapin. So, pero yung iba kasi siya. Okay, so hit next. Connecting to Google Home. Ooh. Ano daw? Yes. Yes, I'm in. This Google was manufactured for a different country and may not be compatible with Wi-Fi network. Okay. Whatever. So, nasaan to? Nasaan tayo ngayon? So, say for example, lalagay ko to siya sa dining. Yan, dining room. Next. Siyempre, lalagay ko ng password, di ba? Kailangan ko ng password nung... Please double check and re-enter your password. Oh, mali yung password nilagay ko. Okay, sorry po. Alright guys, so ayan, connected na daw. Ask it questions, tell it to do things. It's always ready to help. Wow! Talaga ba? Oh, so try natin guys ha. Ano sabi dito? Voice match helps your Google. Okay, I agree. Google Home would like to access the microphone. Okay, of course. So guys, may option kayo to link your Spotify, your Netflix, your ano pa, iFlix para moving on kapag na-set up na siya, sasabihin mo lang yan, parang open iFlix, gano'n. Tapos connect mo siya sa TV mo. Okay, so almost done. Address next. Nangangali na po ang cameraman natin. Pero guys, saglit na lang to. Siguro in 3 minutes time, masusubukan natin mamaya kung gaano nga ba kagaling, gaano nga ba ka-smart si Google Assistant. The dining room speaker is ready. Oh, ready na siya guys. So ito na. Continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, fine. Find more. Okay. Alright, let's try this ha. Yeah, oh guys ito muna pala guys. Tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano, how are you gonna control the volume. Ito lang yung guys, touch lang yan. Ooh. Okay Google, what's the weather today?
Today in Taguig, there'll be thunderstorms with a forecast high of 33 and a low of 26.
Ang talino niyan, diba?
Currently, it's 32 and partly cloudy.
Talk to me.
That's my favorite thing to do.
Okay Google, let me ask you something.
If I could ask you anything, I'd ask, what's your favorite question?
Thank you very much.
That makes me so happy. You're most welcome.
So, a price ranging from 7,000 to 8,000 pesos para sa make and model na to. Siguro meron pang mas maliliit nito pero hindi ko alam kung ano. Search na lang kayo sa YouTube ha? O kaya sa Google para sa mga selections ninyo. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching and sana makapanood kayo ng mga susunod naming videos. Again, this is Prime. On behalf of Boarding Fast, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jam, being my camera on the background. And thank you guys! Bye! See you next time!